With views of Royal Victoria Dock, ibis London Excel-Docklands is less than a 1-minute walk from the Excel Exhibition Centre and the Emirates Air Line cable car system that leads to the O2 Arena. It features a bar, a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi access. All of the bright and modern rooms at ibis Docklands have both a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom. Guests can use tea, coffee facilities. Guests can dine at the restaurant, which serves a variety of dishes, or relax in the bar. There is also a snack service. The hotel is just over a quarter-mile from both the Royal Victoria and the Custom House Docklands Light Railroad (DLR) stations, with routes into central London on a 30-minute tube subway ride. The ibis London Excel-Docklands is just a 10-minute drive from London City Airport, Canary Wharf and historic Greenwich. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.